Employee engagement means about caring about your workforce. It's about giving them something extra, standing out from the crowds. And engagement is when an employee really values their job, likes the job they're doing, gives it 110%. And the way they become engaged is by realising that their employer cares about them and can offer them something that the other competitors aren't offering them. And I think when you've got that as a win-win situation, your employee feels valued, they're giving more to the company is giving them back benefits and supporting them in all other aspects within their role. And for me, that's where the engagement comes in. It's a two-way street. You can't have engagement with just the employer, you can't have engagement just with the employee. Both of them need to be engaged with each other, and they do that by offering them a package like Centralus with benefits for the employees.
Employee engagement means to me retention, succession and attraction for employees. So that's attracting them in the first instance because of the benefits, etc. that we offer. It's about retaining those employees and it's rewarding those employees.
Employee engagement means to me really connecting with your employees, actually delivering a service to them that they value and making them want to stay with you for all their working life. So many times as an employee you feel taken for granted, and it's great when your employer gives you a fantastic benefit package which makes you feel really special. And that's what we do. We provide a benefit package that makes every and each employee feel really, really special. So if you want to experience that, I suggest you come to Centralus.